Right, yo guys, we're here and it's actually massive. It's all boarded up, but
I know a little entrance on
yeah,
the back that
it's a little entrance. Well, we're gonna go around there, jump for that tree.
We've done a lot of research about this place, and
There's not much about it.
No, it's just where people used to store their diggers. There's like a little bungalow.
Construction site basically, so
yeah.
Yeah, oh my god. Yeah, look, there's people over there. Yeah. I will. My orders. Oh shit. Sneaky. They're doing metal detecting. Shit, there's loads. 1, 2, 3 people. It's super quiet right now. Oh my god. Out of all that, I was almost there in here tonight. Look how many people. This place was abandoned the last time we came here and just like spotted it all out. But there's loads of metal detecting people. But massive. Weston, go the other side of the tube. Hello. So yeah. Let's just find some stuff, if I'm honest with you. You go to the polystyrene bit. Hi. I'm going to put my stuff here. Like my Coke. Anything yet? Yeah.
Hello guys, we are back here at the construction site with Joe. And now
We're still on the vlog.
just vlogging from here and onwards. So
That's how
this
Weston
is
does
basically,
videos.
we've done our research, ain't we? And
Yeah.
now,
Not much to happen though.
it's not much about it. You can see, got some like stuff here.
Look how sketchy this is, guys, but I'm doing it. I'm going to try and show you what it like, where all the people in that are. You kind of did see him, but look. So, there's one guy over there, and there's 2 people down there. This is just like, there's a car down there. But Weston's gone over there somewhere to do his own thing. I'm going to go down with him. Find Weston. But there's this building here that looks like we can get into it. Weston's doing this vlog as well. Yeah, we had to break this open the other day just so we can get ready. And we had to kick down the door. Shut up.
You've got to be quiet there.
There's just loads of stuff.
People doing metal detecting just over there. We had to sneak in like little ninjas.
A little ninja. Look at that for a paper clip. Stapler.
Oh, guys, anyone need a stapler?
Look at that.
So obviously,
Did you need a stapler, guys?
we know we paid it before, but we thought we'd come back, explore it.
I'm trying something.
Watching the video. So we've got some check up, doing our business working. Very clean actually. Okay. Looks like this place was just
bummed up.
tortured. People just didn't do it. It's not good.
Western.
Joe's found something.
Microphone piece. Oh, Western. Oh my god.
Let's go have a look at the kitchen, guys.
Hello. Pretty bum, to be honest.
They are to the toast.
Good old microwave. So if the sink still works, if the sink works, then, you know,
This is the bathroom.
it's your boy, Mr. Krabs.
Disgusting. I'm not going to showcase it because I don't think that would be allowed.
It would be, but yeah.
Don't want to show that.
There's people. There's little kids. Shh, hide, 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 hide. Got hide, 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 hide. Hold on. Are they over there? Shh. Shut up. Hide. We've got to be really quiet because there's loads of people.
Quiet.
Shit. Anyone here? Hold on a minute, Western. I have to do a bit of parkour. I do. Oh god, what is that? What is that? Something that I can't really climb. Right, let's try and get up and show you what's happening. Most vloggers can't do this one-handed. On the road. Fucking game. Western, you're a bit hench, aren't you, mate? There's loads of kids somewhere. But, I think they're gone. So, yeah. Just leave it like that. So, yeah, perfect. But, yeah. I'm gonna get down here now.
We're going to go back over there now. Because that's like. We've been here before. So we don't sit there. So I'm standing to Well, you might be a bit of a bad now because you don't count in the light.
Yeah.
Which is bang. So that ladder is like. I'm going to try and get on top of it.
Easy for me. Right, this is not as sketchy as Western said it would be, but...
I thought it would be.
Oh shit, Western. They're really close right now. They're really close. Yeah. There. But I'm going to try and get it in the vlog. Shit. I've got to be super quiet right now. They're so close. Extra quiet for the vlog, yay! How can you see? Get down. Try and hide from me. No, they ain't. who they are. Actually, in there quite firmly. She's gonna scare the shit out of them. Hello, boys. Get out, boys. You are intruding.
We have nothing but to call the police.
Oi, don't worry. Oi, come here, come here.
Come here.
They scared the shit themselves. Yeah.
I'm looking for you. There's a forklift. Oh, there
You can climb to it, but
little kids, we just
how did you get past all of them?
I don't know, I sneaked in.
Same here.
We're going to go in the front. How did you get in here?
That's where we're going.
Yeah,
Did you pogo here or something?
What's your name? What's your name?
Harvey.
Welcome to the vlog, Harvey.
Right, so we've acquired some crew. I'm going to do a slow-mo for a minute. I just want to try something. And I'm going to see you when we get to the best bit.